How to use Uzum Market during sales and discounts. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Next, navigate to the sales or discount section, usually highlighted on the home page. Here you can find all ongoing promotions, seasonal deals, and limited time offers. Make sure to check the dates and terms of each sale so you don't miss any special deals. Browse through the available products and add the items you want to your cart. Look for additional discount, vouchers, or reward points that can be applied during checkout to maximize your savings. Some items may have exclusive deals for loyal users or first-time buyers, so keep an eye on these special offers. During checkout, carefully review your applied discount, vouchers, and rewards to ensure you are getting the best possible price. If multiple promotions are available, check if they can be combined for extra saving. Now you know how to use Uzum Market during sales and discount. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.